Okay, so now I'm also gonna check the main battery in the trunk to see if that's okay. I already found that the SPC auxiliary battery, SPC brakes battery in the front of the car, that was low. It was at 9.95 volts or something like that, and it should be at least at 12 volts. But this is the battery, the main battery in the trunk, which I should also check to make sure that the main battery is okay. The main battery is responsible for the car starting. It's this Duralast AGM battery that I bought, so I don't remember when I bought it, but let me check it. So I'm gonna remove this cover first from the car. I'll place it down. And that's the battery. Normally I would pop these off just for easier access to the battery. Sometimes these are a bit hard to get off. I think I might need a screwdriver. Or I can maybe just rotate it out. I think it just needs to be popped off. Yeah, there we go. Can pop this off now. There we go. Now we can check the battery. First we remove this cover. There we go. Just rotates out. And then let's connect the negative first. It's also set at 20 volt DC range. We first connect the negative, and then let's connect the positive, and this seems okay. 12.38 volts is normal. The one in the front was 9.95 volts, so probably it's just the battery in the front that needs to be replaced. So this looks good.